Hi guys, this is Farzan here from Language Academy with another video today. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss very important module, which is the last module of your PTE exam, and that is your listening. Now in your listening, as you guys already know by now, this is the longest module of all. There are 8 different types of questions. Now what I have seen is that many students, they are actually focusing on the important task and they don't practice the least important ones. Okay. There are some sections in your listening which are not very important, but still they contribute something towards your overall score. These include 4 types of questions. First one is multiple choice multiple answer, multiple choice single answer, highlight correct summary, and select missing words. What I have seen is that many students, they tend to just take these tasks for granted. They're like, okay, I will just skip these ones, or I will just do it very quickly, or I don't even if I make mistakes over there, I will get the score. Guys, remember that all of these least important tasks, they worth 1 point. Okay, so let's say you are getting 2 multiple choice questions, 2 single answer, 2 highlight correct summary, 2 select missing words. 8 points are right there in front of you. Okay, now what I have seen is that many students, we just go for a guesswork. They are like, okay, this one looks like the right answer, I'll just put it over there. Don't do that. In your listening section, remember this thing, that you cannot skip the audio. At any point of time, if you feel like, okay, you are running out of time, I can just skip the audio and I can just move on to the next question, that is not true. There is no way you will be able to skip the audio. I have literally seen some students, especially when they're doing their mock test, what they do is, especially, let's say for example, the question of multiple choice single answer has been played. They are listening to the audio, but their mind is like somewhere else. They are not even paying any attention to the audio. And when the options come, or when the time starts, they just put any option and then just click next. And that is how they will make a mistake. Trust me, if you are just listening to this question carefully and try to understand what he wants to say, what is the meaning behind it, what is the main idea which he is conveying, easily you will be able to get one answer. I'm not saying you have to take all of these answers in the multiple choice multiple answer, but at least one should be correct so that you are getting these points. Don't close your mind and thinking, no, I will just put this one. No. Listen to the recordings very carefully. Sometimes this 1-2 marks can make a difference towards your overall score. But it also doesn't mean that you are spending too much time on this. Okay, I have written the times on these as well. For your multiple choice multiple answer, make sure that you are finishing it in like 30 seconds. Maximum 30 seconds. Choose one answer, click next. And trust me, if you are listening to the audio very carefully, within 20 seconds I have personally experienced, you can be able to find the answer, but I'm giving you like 10 seconds more to make sure that your answers are correct. Multiple choice single answer, same. 30 seconds is too much of a time. Make sure that the answer is correct over there as well. Highlight correct summary. The options are a bit lengthy. Okay, the length of the options are a bit more, so you have to make sure that you are reading it very carefully. Now don't spend too much time on this. Don't be like, I'm spending like 2.5 minutes, I will just do it only one question. Don't do that. In your listening, remember one more thing, that you will have a collective time. You have to finish all of these 8 types of questions in a limited time. So you have to manage your time by yourself. If you decide that you are spending more time on one question, you will not have enough time to do the other one. Alright, so you have to be very careful about that and be very precise about the time management aspect. So highlight correct summary, I have written, try to spend around like 40 seconds to 1 minute, but spend that time and get the answers right. For highlight correct summary, I will also recommend try to take notes. If your note taking is good, easily you will be able to get the answer right, because you will understand what he wants to say. Similarly, in your select missing word, try to find your answer within 30 seconds. Don't spend too much time, but don't spend even less time than that. Make sure that the answer is correct. Guys, they are not very important tasks, but literally they are very simple ones. Okay, if you understand the concept carefully, easily you will be able to do it. Why many students lack concentration over there in listening? Because listening is the last module. Your mind will be very exhausted by now, because you have already done like reading module, you have already done speaking module, you maybe have written 2 essays or something like this. Your mind will be very exhausted. That's why I always recommend try to take 10 minutes break. If you take that 10 minutes off, easily you will refresh your mind, refuel yourself a bit, and then go back for the listening one. Audios will be played only once and you cannot skip the audio. So might as well pay attention to these ones. Sometimes this 1 or 2 points can make a difference. Alright. Hopefully this video is helpful for you and it will give you the importance of these tasks. Okay, they are actually not very important, but still they can make a difference. Okay, so don't skip it or don't just take a guess. Try to understand what he wants to say. Easily, if you listen properly, you can get the right answer, and hopefully it will improve your score and it will easily make you to get 79 plus. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. I'll be back with some more videos. Thanks a lot.